So, finally cut all of these pentagons. All of these pentagons. All of these pentagons. All of them. Hundreds of pentagons. Hundreds of pentagons. And they were all cut with this little machine, with this tiny blade, without a guide, all freehand. And my concern was it going to line up? So I put one together here. Let's see. It's not too bad. Not too bad. I've just loosely taped this together just to see how well they meet, because doing stuff freehand is not easy, and trying to get these angles up. Looks like it all worked, eh? This was the worst one. This was lot number 7, which was the most deviated of the drill holes. When I drill them down, the drill deviates a little bit, but that's not bad. I'm happy with that. That'll glue down. Freehand dodecahedron. Nice. Now to make a few hundred of them.